Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening po. Time check, it's 5 a.m. Weather right now, it's malagkit na, mahamog. Hindi na siya kainitan, hindi na siya kalamigan, pero may lamig pa rin kahit papano. Pero nararamdaman mo pa rin yung lagkit. Kasi ngayon, medyo wet na naman, mahamog. Kita mo yung mga sasakyan, parang kala mo inulanan. Whatever. Day ano ba tayo? Day 33. So this is the third day ng ating 30-kilometer ride minimum. Really the fatigue is anytime I might require yung a proper rest, hindi recovery ride, yung talagang tigil ride. But we will see, titignan natin, we will push a little bit more. Tingnan natin, hopefully abot ng 15 days bago talaga tayo tuloy magpahinga. Yun, dito lang tayo Khalifa City kasi nga hindi na tayo lalayo-layo ng konti kasi the travel time alone, it's parang sayang na sa oras. So imbis na ibinabike mo na, ita-travel mo pa, parang ganon. Anyway, day 33, here we go. Let's go. Okay, syempre pala ito pa rin tayong ating gamit para natin ang ating bagong bike. So ito ang aking Scott Addict 30. Yan. Sabi nila kailangan daw pangalanan. Kailangan daw may pangalan ng ang mga sasakyan, 'di ba? Dapat pag may car daw dapat may pangalan. Pag may bike, ganun din daw. I have a car and doesn't have a name. May kotse ako, wala namang pangalan. May bike ako, wala rin pangalan. Although now I can call my bike Scott because it's really called Scott. And I have a car called Orion because it's Toyota Orion. Anyway, that's that. Day 33, here we go. Yan. Dito na ulit tayo sa ating favorite spot. Hindi ko alam kung pinatay na ba yung ilaw o hindi binuksan yung ilaw. Kasi ang dilim eh. Hindi pa naman maliwanag. So, usually, magandang ilaw dito, maliwanag. Hindi binuksan siguro. Nakakalimutan, nagtitipid yata ng ilaw ang Abu Dhabi. Well, anyway, pasok na tayo dito, day 33. So, like what I said, minimum of 30 kilometers. When I say minimum, that's the minimum. So I can ride more kung kaya ko. Pero right now, I'm not sure if I'm going to do more than 30 kasi talagang sobrang magang-maga pa rin yung binti ko. Kumbaga, it's still have a sore muscle. Talagang kahit hindi naka-flex yung binti ko matigas eh. Yun lang yun. Pero din yung weather ngayon malamig siya pero parang akala mo basa ka. Ayan. Yun lang. Let's go. Marami pa rin talagang mga ungas eh. Ito mo may nakasalubong akong nagbabike. Why is he riding here on a dark? Maitim na siya. Walang ilaw, walang helmet. I don't understand that. Dito kasi wala masyadong hindi masyadong stricto, pero but if you go to Abu Dhabi City, strict, very strict there. So may kinuwento sa amin yung dun sa Wolfies na because here pag mag-cross ka ng pedestrian crossing, you need to dismount. Kailangan mo bumaba sa bike, ilakad mo yung bike mo kasi pedestrians for pedestrian, for sa mga naglalakad. Lagi doon may mga nag-aabang na mga plain clothes na mga nanguhuli. So you don't know kung sino yung nanguhuli doon. Bigla na lang kukunin ng Emirates ID mo and then you'll be fined 500 dirhams. 500 dirhams at around 7,500 pesos. Yan. Pero dito naman sa Khalifa City, kasi because this is mostly residential and hindi masyadong strict dito or walang masyadong nanguhuli. Pero we'll never know. Hindi natin alam, no, mamaya biglang makatsyempohan. Kaya I'm very talagang kung ano yung batas, sunod talaga ako kasi I don't want to pay fines unnecessarily. Kung may iwasan naman, imagine 7,500 just for you crossing the road, crossing the pedestrian crossings. Diba? Sakit sa puso kaya nun. Anyway, yun lang masishare ko. Let's go! Maliwanag na. So far 20 kilometers na tayo, so another 10 kilometers more and then day 33 is done. Masarap yung pagkaka-ride natin ngayon kasi ang tawag dyan, hindi ko alam, masarap eh. Masarap yung feeling, kumaga I haven't felt this in a long time, na kahit pagod, alam mo yung pagod na ine-enjoy mo naman because you know you're doing something right. Yan yung nararamdaman natin today. Ayan, maliwanag na, palabas na rin yung araw. Final 2 rounds, final 2 ikot na lang tayo dito. And itong pagod na to, mamaya pag alam mo na-relax na ako and everything, adrenaline is done or bumaba na yung adrenaline ko, ito yung sakit ng katawan na masarap eh. Yung tipong yun, sarap nung sarap nung pagkakasakit nung binti ko doon mga ganong type pa. Weather is still okay. Malagkit lang talaga kasi I don't know if you can see, medyo foggy. Ma-fog na konti. Kaya kita mo, it's 6 o'clock. Yung araw hindi pa matingkad na matingkad. Usually pag ganito medyo ang araw orange na. Well, anyway, yan. So final 10 kilometers for today's ride. Let's go. Yan, tapos na tayo sa ating 30 kilometer ride for today. Exit na tayo dito. Oy, that was fun. Sarap nun kasi ramdam ko na yung init. Kumbaga talagang pinapawisan ka na ng husto. Ako pinawisan na ako ng husto. Ngayon, na-exit na tayo dito. So day 33 is almost done. 30 kilometer ride for today is done. Ano pa ba? Ayun. And ang more importantly is I enjoyed this ride. Talagang maganda tong ride ko ngayon. I love this ride. Kumbaga I haven't felt this in a long time. Yung gantong kahit mahirap nag-e-enjoy ka. So that's a good sign, or that's a good sign na I can na ma-reach na natin yung 45 days straight. So 33 na tayo ngayon. So 35, that'll be easy. Pero malay natin mafatig tayo bukas. Pero as of now, there's for sure there's day 34. And syempre yung pinaghahandaan natin, yung ating 100 kilometer ride, pinaghahandaan ko pa rin yan. Yung one of the preparation there is get a new bike. So that's check. So I haven't got a new gear yet. So I need to get a new gear for that. What I say gear is I need to get a new cycling shorts, kasi yung cycling shorts ko yung pinaka foam niya parang pang sponge na lang ng panghugas ng plato talagang ramdam na ramdam mo yung kada lubak talagang minamasahe ang iyong ang iyong bumbilya, kada lubak ramdam mo minamassage Yan, anyway, it's too much information. Yan, so shout out sa mga subscribers natin. Thank you very much for all your support. And thank you very much sa mga members natin. So hopefully I will do a live stream. Today is Monday, so mag live stream tayo today para mapagkwentuhan ba, konting kanta-kanta. Yan, let's go. See you at home.
Yeah. Shawty, don't move that way. Don't move that way. Don't move that way. What are we doing? Yeah. Shawty, don't move that way. Don't move that way. Don't move that way. What are we doing? Yeah. I could have sworn I had a bad one.
Ayan, home sweet home na tayo. Dito na tayo sa ating neighborhood. Thank you Lord for the safe ride, for this fun ride. Thank you very much sa mga sumusuporta sa atin, subscribers, followers and viewers. Thank you very much to all the groups that's supporting me, Kite-Kite, Red Rose International, Darna, 99 still Team 99 plus 1, 98 plus 1, kay Crystal Reza. Thank you very much. Kay Ma'am Sharon. At sa lahat sa nandyan, Master Totoo Yan Adventure. Siyempre as always ang ating number one supporter si Master Totoo Yan Adventure. Shoutout sa inyo ni Madam Mary. Ayun, ang dami ko na sinabi. So if you find this entertaining, interesting and helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Let's go. See you. Saan ba pupunta, Brad?
Told you everything we want, we have it. Just say the word, just say the word, just say the word, yeah, yeah. Then we hit the, oh yeah. Then we hit the, oh yeah. Girl, the same fly, skin fly, still the same guy, yeah. Shawty, don't move that way.